How to use trending hashtags on TikTok. Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Want to get more views on your TikToks? The secret is using trending hashtags. Today I'll show you how to find and use them effectively. So let's get started. First, start by heading to TikTok's Discover page. Here you will see all the trending hashtags. Tap on a hashtag to see the kind of content people are creating with it. Next, match hashtags to your content. Pick hashtags that match your content. For example, if you are doing a dance trend, use hashtags related to that challenge. Don't just copy them all, stay relevant. Next, mix trending and niche hashtags. Combine trending hashtags with niche ones related to your content. Trending hashtags boost discoverability, while niche hashtags help you reach your target audience. And that's how you use trending hashtags to grow your TikTok. Remember, trends change fast, so check the Discover page regularly. If this video helped you, please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching and we will see you again in the next video.